Dressmakers and friends, welcome again on the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this 3D pearl applique. Don't forget to like this video. Let's get right into it. These are the materials that you need. Of course, you need your bead of choice. Here I have my seed beads. This is a size 2 seed beads or sand bead, whatever name you call it. And these are my pearls. I'm going to bring it close for you to see. These are what they look like. You also need your copper wire. This is 0.50 millimeter. And then you also need it. Probably you want to use it in gold or silver. And this is my cutter plier. Now let's start our beading. The first thing you need to do when making this applique is to go ahead and choose your copper wire, whichever one you want to use. In this case, I want to use this gold. So I'm just going to be measuring 15 inches long. The length of your copper wire depends on how wide the 3D pearl you want to create will be. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's start with this 15 mm. Now pass your pearls into it, the bigger ones. At the pearls, pass them into it just like this. Alright, can you see? Then you are going to turn this over. Can you see the way I did it? Just make it into a twist just like that. I believe this video is quite slow enough for you to understand. Just watch it closely. I'm sure you will definitely get it. Alright, so you're going to move maybe like 1 inch or maybe 0.5 inch from that end. Then you're going to do the same process, alright? Twist just like this, then twist again. Keep twisting until you get to the very end of that first one. Can you see what you've been able to create? I can tell you this 3D pearl is really easy to make, and you can see the beautiful effect really in her dress, and I think that she is really beautiful. If you agree with me that this Nigerian actress is beautiful, I want you to leave it down in the comment. Just write beautiful in the comment. Alright, so let's continue with our pearl applique. You just have to twist like this to keep moving from one point to another. Can you see how I'm doing it? Just watch this video closely and then you are going to really understand. I'm just going to keep quiet right now so that you can focus and watch the video. But before I go, there's going to be a very important step in this 3D pearl applique creation that I don't want you to miss. So before you end the video or before you close this video, ensure that you listen to that important step. Alright, so I'm going to leave you to watch the video. When it's time for you to see the step I talked about, I'm going to come on again to share it with you. Here is what we've been able to create. Now you can see what this looks like already. Now I'm going to be cutting my copper wire of 25 inches long. Remember that we did 15 inches first. Now I'm going to be using my scissors. If you don't have a plier, you can also use your scissors. Now, after this, you are going to be picking 3 beads this time, just to show you that you have options. You don't have to use one bead. I'm going to be picking 3 beads just to show you now. Okay, so match your beads to the center and ensure that both ends of the copper wire match before you make your twist over just like this. Now twist it over just like we did for the first one, and then we are still going to get the same result. I'll also go ahead to use another glass bead, which is this gold glass bead that you see, just for you to see that we can achieve the same result with different kind of beads, but you have to go through the same process. So please feel free, allow your creativity and just go ahead with any bead of your choice to create this beautiful appliques. Alright, so now I'm going to be showing you the important step. This is a sharp point. You don't want to leave this on your client's dress like this, so it's important for you to clip this in or turn this in a way that you are going to take care of that sharp end. Now it's no longer sharp. Can you see that? This point you cannot overlook. and please do not miss. I've gone ahead to also create this with this crystal bead as well, and now it's time to attach it to the dress or whatever you are working with. First of all, you are going to just pin it in like this, just for you to see where you want this to sit on the dress or the fabric that you're working with before you now go ahead to hand stitch. Okay, I hope you have found this video helpful. Don't forget to write beautiful in the comments and give this video a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.